Hi. In this series of digital marketing, we have been trying to explore multiple social media platforms and explore it with the perspective of a common user and not a pro digital marketer. So, how could a small and medium enterprise owner or an MSME owner make best use of social media platforms without being a pro on the topic? So today we are going to cover Tumblr, Tumblr, as a social media platform. And for those of you who have not heard of Tumblr, Tumblr is a social media platform which helps you in blogging. Microblogs can be written on Tumblr. The beauty of Tumblr is that you may not be a great writer, you may not be a great blogger, but still you can make use of Tumblr to be taking it social media marketing to the next level, can use it very effectively to create backlinks. You can use it very effectively to drive inbound traffic to your website. So without further ado, let's quickly dive into Tumblr and see as to how one can really go about making best use of Tumblr. So I just open my Tumblr. So I go to Tumblr. So that is tumblr.com, tumblr.com. All right. So that's the home page of Tumblr that you see there. So just like any other microblogging site, Tumblr also provides you this interface. So this is the dashboard. First of all, of course, you have to open an account. Now, in this particular case, I have already opened my account. And for those of you who do not have an account, don't bother. Just with a Gmail email ID, you can open a Tumblr account free of cost. Now, once you have opened the Tumblr account, it will ask you for the topic that you are keen on, and then it will quickly verify your email by sending an auto mail to your registered email ID, which you click, and you are ready to go. So let's assume that you have done all those basic things, and you are now sitting on the Tumblr website. The first thing that you need to learn is how do you create backlinks on Tumblr. Now, first of all, let me make you conversant with the dashboard. So this is the basic menu of Tumblr. So you have text. You click there, you have text. You have photograph. You have quotation. You can put a link. You can incorporate a chat, a podcast, or a video. So those are very much the same things that anyone would like to do while blogging. Now let's see that how, without being a major blogger or without being a big time writer, how do you really make use of Tumblr to create backlinks into your website? So let me just quickly click on text. So I click on text, I get this message. Sanjay for Sales is my username, and I have created multiple blog pages. So if I put this down arrows, I have got one blog page by the name of Sanjay for Sales, another blog page by the name of Sales Negotiations. So like this, you can open multiple playlists, and under each playlist, you can have multiple blogs written on the very same topic. So now this is the place where you write your blog. Now the question is that what is so different in Tumblr? So what I'll demonstrate it to you. So I'll open another website where I will open my website, which in this case is consultforsales.com. Okay, so I open my website, and this is okay. So that's my website open. Now on my website, I have a blog page where I have written a lot of blogs. I have resources, I have services, right? So now what do I do? Let's assume that I want to draw inbound traffic to my website on a particular page. So let's say I go to services, and under services, I have so many services. Now let's say I want to take them to sales strategy, okay? Or I want to take them to learning and development probably, okay? So learning and development. Under learning and development, I have a program called sales management, or let's say I have a program called Excel. Okay. Now, when I open the relevant page, so this is the page on my website. So Excel is a science behind art of selling, and these are the details of the page. Now here my work starts. I want to draw public traffic to this page. So what do I do? So first of all, I do a cut paste of the title. Okay, so I do a cut paste of the title. I go to Tumblr and I paste the title exactly the way it's written there here. Okay, very simple. Any one of us can do it. Okay, very good. Then I go back to my page again, and then I just cut paste the first few lines, not the entire one, just first the first few lines. Okay, this much. I just do Control C and I paste that as if I have written the blog. Okay, I have not written the complete blog. I've just pasted part of it. Now what do? I go to this. Can you see the gearbox here? Okay, so I go there. So it is asking me content URL and content source. So on the content URL, I will write the name. So it is about Excel. Okay, just to identify. On the content source, I will write the URL of the web page where I want to inbound traffic to be directed. So I go back to my website. I open that particular page and I quickly do a Control C of this website address. Can you see this here? Okay. So I do a cut and I come and put it on content source. So I paste it there. Fantastic. Very simple. Okay. Now, after having done that, I highlight a part of this. Okay. I highlight a part of this. And the moment I highlight this, menu opens. So what do? I click on the link button here. Can you see the link button here? This is the link button. So I click on the link button. The moment I click on the link button, it gives me a place to write the name of my website. So I write the name of my website here. Okay, consultforsales.com. Done. So what has happened? I have put the blog page on address on the gearbox here. I have also highlighted this particular word and inserted my website address there. And then I quickly go down and add some tags. So this is about sales. So maybe I quickly go and add some tags here. Okay, so I quickly go and add some tags here. So maybe I add a tag there. I add sales manager, I add salesperson, I add sales training. Okay. And I should try and pick it up from what Tumblr is giving me. Okay, so I have added so many topics there as hashtag. Now, hashtag helps people on Tumblr to reach you with these keywords. That's simple. And I can post it now. Now, I can post it, I can schedule it, I can post it as a queue, I can save it as a draft to be posted later. I can also post it privately, unlisted, I can schedule it. So I don't want to do all that, I just want to post it immediately. So I post it and boom, there it goes. See, now this blog has been created. What have I done? Have I invested a lot of time in writing the blog? No. What have I done? I have used the same title which is there on my website on a particular page. I've copied the first few paragraphs and pasted it here. And you see now the source consultforsales.com is also there. And this is also clickable, right? This is also clickable. So anyone on Tumblr who falls into my blog page, and how will they fall into my blog page? They will either fall into my blog page by virtue of the hashtag which I have used, Or if they are searching for sales as a keyword, then there is a likelihood of them falling onto my blog page. So when they fall into my blog page, they'll read the first few lines. They might find it interesting. They will see the source, consultforsales.com. They click here and boom, my website opens and I have been able to draw a traffic from Tumblr to a particular page on my website. Can you see that? So this is exactly what I mean by creating backlinks. So we created two backlinks here. Suppose someone clicks here, awareness before change. Remember, we highlighted it. So if they click here, again, the cursor will take them to my website. So that's how you make use of Tumblr as a portal through which you can create backlinks. And remember, friends, there are 317 million users of Tumblr. 317 million users of Tumblr, and there is no way you will miss out. In fact, Tumblr is a very, very strong portal to be creating inbound traffic by creating backlinks. You can create backlinks in so many other social media platforms, but Tumblr is the easiest. And you have seen just now that you don't have to be a big time blogger to actually make use of Tumblr. So I have just shown you one of the options, which is text, and I can go similarly, I can go on a photo. So if I go on a photo, I can upload an image. So let me do it live for you. So I go to upload an image, I go to my computer where some image has been stored. And let's say I go and I want to inform public about, okay, so there's a Sales Ki Pathshala that I do every, yeah, so I just select my photograph, I put it there, okay, I have selected this, and then I add tags here where I say that this is to do with sales training. So this is also to do with sales webinars. Okay. Okay. And then I can go and put it here where I can say, so if I have a page for Sales Ki Pathshala, I can put that on the source here. If I don't have, so I can actually take it to a page there. Yeah, and I can go to, yeah, so I can actually take it to this. And this is the website address that I'll put there so that people are drawn to this. So I just do a cut, Control C, Control V here, put that as a source, and boom, I'm ready to go. You see? So I have added another one to another small block with a photograph. Similarly, I can go through a quote. Okay. And if I go through a quote, I just put a quote here that do not pray for results in sales. Okay, so that's a quote. And I put a hashtag there, sales quote. Okay, and I post it there. Okay. Now, if you observe that all this time when I'm doing the posting, you see a Twitter logo, right? You see a Twitter logo when I'm trying to post. Can you see the Twitter logo here? So Twitter has been configured along with Tumblr. So whenever I do a post on Tumblr, by default, it also goes on Twitter. Now, for your information, Tumblr is a company which belongs to Yahoo. And that's the reason it provides an auto integration with Twitter as a website. So that's pretty much the way that how do you make use of Tumblr, friends. I hope I have been able to introduce this concept of using a Tumblr in your real life. Please go forward and start making using of Tumblr, because when you use Tumblr, you would have started blogging and creating a lot of inbound traffic to your website. The moment you create a lot of inbound traffic to your website, you can be generating leads and then more business for yourself. So this is Sanjay Singh, your sales coach, signing off here. Stay connected to my YouTube channel because I bring at least 2 platforms of digital marketing every month for you. If you just keep on browsing through my videos, you will understand and at least start making use of this platform. If you have liked my channel, please go down and subscribe. Click on the bell icon because I'm on a special mission to empower 1 million salespersons with the science of selling before 2025. Till I upload my next video, stay tuned. Bye-bye.